Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a car in Lego Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly go to the toy section and just simply add a dynamic foundation over here. Now just simply go to the wall section of the building parts and add a wall. So just simply go at the very bottom and add a simple wall right over here. If you can, try to get a smaller wall. So break this one and get a smaller one, like this one. Place it in the center. Now take small pillars and place them right over here on both sides and one at the center. Now take two long pillars over here first. So just scroll up and get this pillar over here and place it right over here. One here and one here. So before putting the small pillars at the top, place a railing first and keep a little gap just like this. And now place the small walls at the top. And now place the small floors. And now just go to the toys. Add small thrusters at the very side over here. One on this side. And then take two switches. Place it one right over here and one right over here. Then take a big thruster, place it right over here. Take two small balloons, place it right over here. Now take large wheels and place it right over here. One at the front. And now, once you're all done, all you have to do is just simply break the pillars. So just simply break them. Now once the wall will break, you will find three levers over here. One lever will control the back thruster. By using this, the vehicle will go forward. And then two levers over here to go right and left, as you can see right over here. Now firstly, turn on the back thruster. And now use them to turn left and right. So as you can see, this is how the car will work in Lego Fortnite. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.